5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm beating on my lonely drum. Girl, don't you wanna come over? I'm halfway through a Chardonnay and I don't plan on staying sober. You can bring your air guitar. Don't let this night get any older. I'm beating on my lonely drum. Girl, don't you wanna come over? I'm all boom, boom, boom. So get in your car, make it go. Boom, boom, boom. There's a dance floor up in my living room. Boom, boom. I hope you get here soon, soon.
Hi.
I'm beating on my lonely drum. I might get drunk and sing karaoke. You can be my beatbox. I'll render some oaky from the Skokie. And if you buy my Jaeger shot, I might just do the hokey pokey. I'm beating on my lonely drum. I might get drunk and sing karaoke. I'm all boom, boom, boom. So get in your car, make it go. Boom, boom, boom. There's a dance floor up in my living room. I hope you get here soon, soon. Come on, girl. I'm beating on my lonely drum. Could your Fiat go any slower? You oughta hit the Texaco and get you some nitro for that motor. If you were here right now, we'd be Johnny and June getting closer. I'm beating on my lonely drum. Tell me that you're coming over. I'm all boom, boom, boom. So get in your car, make it go. Boom, boom, boom. There's a dance floor up in my living room. I hope you get here soon, soon. I wanna sing, sing, sing. Thank you, Lord. I'd do anything. Come on and make my doorbell ring, ring, ring. I hope you get here soon, 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 soon.
This dance is Lonely Drum, choreographed by Darren Mitchell. It's a 32 count 4 line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, stomp right forward, bounce right heel 3 times, bounce, bounce, bounce. Left toe, heel, stomp, right toe, heel, stomp. Section 2, step forward, pivot a quarter right, cross, shuffle, step right to side, push hips, right, left, right, behind, side, cross. Section 3, toe and heel and walk forward, right, left, shuffle forward, right, left, right. Last section, step forward, pivot a half turn right, shuffle forward, left, right, left, big step forward on right, dragging left, big step forward on left, dragging right. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there is a tag at the end of all 3 facing 3 o'clock. Rock forward, recover, shuffle back, right, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, left, right, left. With counts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance.